Hi, I'm Aditya, and today I will introduce you to Java. So let's get to it. Before getting technical, I am sure you all are aware of what languages are. Languages are a way to communicate with others, express our thoughts, and project it onto them. And no, we are not talking about programming just yet. We are talking about languages in general, like English, Hindi, French, etc., etc. Now, with languages, we have an understanding of beings around us. If I want, say, Alex to fetch me a glass of water, I'll command Alex to fetch me a glass of water. Similarly, should I need my computer to do something for me, I will have to give my computer a command. In order to do so, I need to know the language of computer. And Java here is just that. It's a language, a tool to communicate with others, in this case, with my computer. Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. Released in the year 1995, Java is named after the Java coffee from Indonesia, ergo the cup of coffee in the logo. It was originally named Oak, after an oak tree that stood outside developer James Gosling's office. Now, you know a little about the history of Java. But why Java? Why not other programming languages? Well, this is because the main feature of Java includes Vora, diminutive of write once, run anywhere. Java allows that the code to be written on any operating system or machine and can be run on various other machines. Therefore, write once and run anywhere. Now, there's one question. Is knowing Java enough to give computer commands? The answer is no. The computer is an electrical device which understands only absence and presence of current, represented by 0 and 1 respectively, termed as binary. Now, numbers and letters can be represented in binary form using simple mathematical operations, but I would like to mention that representing large chunks of codes and words, essays, is a very tedious task, even humanly impossible. But fret not, it is not our job to convert the code into binary. We use something known as a Java compiler. A compiler is a translator that translates our Java commands into machine-level language. We will understand that, but first, what is machine-level language? Machine-level languages, as we have discussed, is binary. It is the absence and presence of electrical current represented by zeros and ones. Now, let us understand all of this better. Here we have a flowchart that shows the Java code that we write, referred to as source code, goes to the compiler as converted into bytecode. After this conversion, the bytecode goes to the Java virtual machine, referred to as JVM. Here the code is converted to machine understandable format. Bytecode is the reason why a Java code can run on any operating system. Now, I will give you the best analogy here. Assume that there are 3 countries, country 1, country 2, country 3, and naturally they have their own languages. We are an alien species, consider. To communicate with these different countries, with our advanced technology, we design a translator that can convert our human unreadable language to a basic human understandable format. Now, format, not language. We know that to be able to understood by people all around the world, we need to know all their languages and inevitably translate our every message all the time. So our alien race again gets together, and with the futuristic technology, we design a machine which converts the human understandable code that we just translated into any language required, so you don't have to do any work. In this analogy, we, programmers, are the aliens. The computer is the human world with all the countries. The countries here are operating systems. The translator is the compiler, and lastly, the converter is the JVM. Just like the translator converts alien language to a human-readable format, and the converter in turn convert that human-readable format to any human-readable language across the globe, the compiler compiles our Java program, aka source code, to bytecode, which in turn is converted to a machine-understandable language over any operating system. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.